Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be...
Ano yung ginagawa mo? Gusto ko kasing matuto mag-edit ng video at mga photos, at saka gusto kong manood ng mga tech-related videos. Kung yan yung gusto mo, pumunta ka sa YouTube channel ko na Alfred Tech. Ganon ba? Sige. Pupunta ako sa YouTube channel mo na Alfred Tech at manonood ako dito ng mga videos na kung saan matututo ako kapag i-edit ng mga photos, videos at saka iba pang tech-related videos. So what's up guys? Welcome sa ating YouTube channel na Alfred Tech. At kung gusto nyo matuto kung paano nga ba mag-edit ng mga videos, photos at saka manood ng mga tech-related videos, pumunta lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko na Alfred Tech. So what's up guys? Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Compostela. Nandito tayo ngayon sa bagong store ng mga bagong phone. Ayan guys, makita nyo. Yan yung mga phone nila. At bali guys, ayan guys, sa likod ko pala guys is yung Tecno na Spark Go. Bali yan naman yung titingnan natin. At mayroon silang panibagong phone guys, yung ZTE Blade. Bali, ito yung Tecno Spark Go 2024. Yung price niya is 4,590. At saka yung storage niya guys is 64 yung internal at saka 8GB of RAM. At sa likod naman guys is makita natin yung 90Hz refresh rate niya. At mayroon siyang dual speaker with DTS Listen. Large storage at saka 5,000 mAh of battery at saka Type-C. At sa gilid naman guys is yung side edge fingerprint scanner niya guys. Yan yung bago nilang phone ngayon guys na Tecno Spark Go 2024. Yung pangalawa nilang phone guys is yung ZTE Blade, bagong brand ng phone. Yan guys, yung price niya pala guys is 2,790. Dito sa likod, ayan. Bali dito sa taas is nakalagay yung memory niya, 2GB of RAM. Yung 32 guys is yan yung memory ng phone niya guys. Ayan guys, yung memory ng phone. Yan lang guys yung nakalagay na information niya. So ayun guys, kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga budget phones, visit nyo lang yung M&TJ shop located at Purok 9, Poblacion, Compostela guys. And guys, see you sa ating next vlog. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech reviews, tutorials, and tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any future content. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to continue sharing my knowledge and insights with you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.